Good morning, everyone. I am Andre Gabriel C. Austria, and this is our my group mates. Jen Kirby Yaguda, John Mark De Villa, Ivan Medina, and Andre Reyes. Our topic is Cost Optimizer, a SQLite powered cost estimator with component card system. Have you ever watched a small manufacturer, craftsman, or startup founder spends hours juggling spreadsheets to calculate production costs, only to make costly mistakes? 73% of small businesses cite inaccurate cost estimation as a top reason for lost profit. That's where our cost estimator program comes in. A simple data-driven tool that takes the guesswork out of calculating costs, profit, and break-even points, all in one place. It's built for small businesses, freelancers, and production teams who need reliable, fast cost insights without the hassle of complex software.
The program has two main modes. First is manual input mode, perfect for quick estimates. Simply enter your total material, labor, overhead, cost, and your selling price per unit. The program instantly calculates total cost, revenue, profit, and break-even point, showing clear indicators for profit or loss. Second is estimation cart mode, ideal for detailed project. You build a custom list of components like wood, screw, labor hours, or rent by adding, removing, and adjusting quantities. The cart automatically tallies cost by category, and you can save and reuse your estimates for future projects. No coding needed, just follow the prompts and the program handles all the math.
The program combines a SQLite for data storage and Pandas for data processing. When first launched, it creates a database called costestimator.db with two tables, available components for preloaded items and estimation card for your selected components. Data from the database loads into Pandas data frames. These are smart tables that handle calculation and formatting. When you modify your card, changes sync back to the database, ensuring your data is safe even after closing the app. This integration makes the program lightweight without needing a server, yet powerful enough for detailed, persistent estimates.
Let me show you how quick this is. Step 1. Open the program, select estimation cart mode. Ano na? Ano na? Step 2. Browse preloaded components like wood, labor, and rent. Step 3. Add 10 wood. Step 4. View the cart to see quantities and total costs. Step 5. Enter the selling price of 200 pesos per unit and set quantity to 5. Step 6. Instantly see your total cost, profit of 1,000 pesos, and the break even about 3 units.
So to recap, our cost estimator program solves a critical pain point for our small businesses by combining simple, usable with robust data persistence. It eliminates errors, save time, and give a clear, action, financial insights that user price product profitability. Whether you are a carpenter, a small factory owner, or a startup founder, this tool puts a cost control right at your fingertips. Thank you.
That's all po. Thank you.